North China's Hebei province has stepped up efforts to reduce production capacity in its steel industry. Efforts by local authorities are part of greater plans to restructure multiple industries nationwide and reduce their impact on the environment.
I now declare that we will start dismantling furnaces in Tangshan.
Furnaces were shut down at 8 steel mills in 3 cities in Hebei, including the city of Tangshan. The shutdown will reduce iron and steel production capacity by a combined total of more than 11 million tons. It will also reduce coal consumption by 2.76 million tons. The State Council, or China's cabinet, has said that the country will cut steel production capacity by 80 million tons over the next 5 years. Hebei alone will be responsible for cutting 60 million tons. These efforts are being made not only to aid in economic restructuring, but also to reduce air pollution. 70 of the 74 cities monitored by the Ministry of Environmental Protection suffered from air pollution in the third quarter of the year, according to a recent announcement from the ministry.